First and foremost, I hope that you and your family and friends are keeping safe during these very difficult and challenging times. Thank you for submitting an application to study on the Carmarthen campus, University of Wales, Trinity St David. We sincerely hope that you'll be able to join us in September and that you will have an opportunity to be part of the UWTSD family here in Carmarthen. After all, we are a close-knit family where all campus users know each other, where all students feel safe and supported, and where they are acknowledged by their name and not by a number. And given the current circumstances, that emphasis on belonging to the UWTSD family, to the campus community, I would argue, is as important today as it has been at any time during the university's proud history. Our aim as a university is to transform the lives of its students, to prepare them thoroughly for the workplace and to empower them to contribute constructively to the communities to which they belong. We want to make a positive difference, not only to you as a student, but also to those individuals that you will have an opportunity to influence throughout your life. We want to build and develop our students' resilience in order for them to be able to face the challenges of tomorrow during the post-COVID period with confidence and also with sensitivity and respect to others. Despite the recent restrictions, the university has already begun its preparations for the next academic year. Not only have we been preparing for your arrival, hopefully in September, but we've also been planning for the university's bicentenary celebrations next year. You will be matriculating at UWTSD, where higher education in Wales began, at the perfect time, just in time for the party, just in time to become part of history. May I wish you the very best during these next few months. Do look after yourself and your family and friends, and we look forward immensely to welcome you to the University of Wales, Trinity St David, and to Carmarthen in September.